Writing, Unit 7, Lesson 7. I can use timelines to develop sequenced, structured mini-stories connected to my life topics and ideas. Writing, Unit 7. So you're going to reread all your entries around your chosen life topic tied to an idea. What do they say? What do they illuminate? What questions emerge for me when I'm rereading them? Are any people or places more prevalent? Why? Create a list about as many connected mini stories or vignettes as possible about your life topic, tied to an idea using answers to your questions. Choose one of the mini stories from the list and tell about that event or experience scene by scene. Plot various memoir scenes on several timelines. So here is my timeline that helped me develop sequence. So next to the numbers, I put the location because I had different locations throughout my story. So number 1 was home, that's where I was at. And the first detail in my sequence is that my parents told me I had to stop sucking my thumb. Then the next location, number 2, was that dentist office. Then I started lettering, so I hit enter tab, and that gets me a letter underneath the number. So I'm sitting nervously in the waiting room with my mom. That I get called in, and my mom isn't allowed in. Then the dentist begins putting in the metal wires while the woman's holding me down. Then they tell me I can swallow this unknown liquid. I swallow some of it and immediately know I shouldn't have. I begin crying and fighting the woman holding me down. I kick the dentist. He finally finishes securing the wires in my mouth. My mother comes in asking why I'm crying. The dentist gives her instructions for my care. I'm back at home now. My first detail at home is I continue to cry and be upset the rest of the day and night. My dad calls the dentist at home very angry. He asks, "What did you do to my daughter?" I have small red marks, petechiae, on my face and neck. I recover physically quickly, but not emotionally. Then my next location is the dentist a few months later. So I'm sitting nervously again in the waiting room with my mom, waiting to have the wires removed. And I haven't finished, so I need to continue to work on my timeline. So you're going to be doing the same thing, but for your topic, for your memoir. So you can either do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and not do the location and then the sequence. It's up to you. You can model after mine, or you can just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and no letters. Good luck!